Welcome and thank you for all your support and liking and subscribing and actually viewing my channel and growing with me. Basically, I hope you are getting much value as I am putting in, and I hope that you are actually enjoying the content that I'm putting out. Today is topics is Robinhood. This topic is very interesting because if you go on YouTube, you can find literally every single person who does anything with investing. They all cover Robinhood. I like Robinhood just like everyone else because they're free to use unless you do their goal management, which is their margin. I wouldn't recommend that only for advanced. I have used that. I'll show you, but you never actually make any money. You lose mostly. Um, their platform is very easy to use. They have app. You can buy and sell. You can even do a little bit day trading, but please don't do that. You end up losing a lot of your money, and they require minimum $25,000 in your account to do that. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do is show you things about how this works and a couple things about my account, and then maybe some things that I find very interesting. All right, so right now I have $92.68 as of right now. I am up $1.42 right about here, or 1.56 today. You can see my investment journey with this stock is actually it's a Harley Davidson. I like Harley Davidson, so that's why I kind of bought it, and it was a pretty good deal when I bought it. And see right here, I have 3.24 shares of it. Let's look at more detail. When I bought this right here, I bought it at market price of $27.23 each, and right now you have $28.63 each. And when I bought it, it was in June 8th. And before that, I actually had it before I sold it. And then before that, I had it, which they gave me on March 23rd. They gave me 76 cents of dividend. They're giving you quarterly dividends, very nice. With the two, they gave me almost 76 cents. So their dividend rate must be. You can actually look at, hold on, HOG. Let's look at their HOG div hog. So currently dividend payout is 8 cents. Yield Harley Davidson is okay. So maybe they did a cut on that. I like this company even though they are going down, but I do believe that they will be able to capture the younger market because I am young rider. I actually ended up buying Ducati as for my motorcycle. However, I do like Harley Davidson, and I do see myself as I progress in my riding skill to buy Harley, maybe Sportster and so on when I come out of my Ducati, or maybe buy one more motorcycle, but I don't have space. Neither do I have the money, so I do think they will do much better. What else? So that's my account. Let's look at my portfolio. I used to have very big portfolio with them. This here is my first list that I kind of want to buy, ISG and so on. You can put it everything that you want to buy on your right. You can make a portfolio based on when do you want to buy. They even have a cryptocurrencies that you can buy, bitcoins and stuff. I think they just have Bitcoin, so you can buy a lot of ETFs. And I have a maybe list. Let me show you my maybe list. It's kind of interesting. Maybe. Come on. Okay, I don't know why it's not showing up. Okay, coming up. This is basically when I have a money, I will most likely buy next. I kind of want to own Wendy's and Starbucks and Cisco's tax estimate. I think they will do really good in the future. I don't know about this company what they do tax estimate other than having calculator and probably even Cisco. I don't think they're gonna come out doing anything extra. But Wendy's and Starbucks, I do see them doing really well. So that's why I kind of haven't. So do I have other ones, Carnival, Disney. They are just, it's just a watch list. So when I have extra money or when I'm ready, I can go ahead and just uh, basically pick a stock that I think is worth it and buy it. But most of these stock, like if even if I were to choose, I don't like to. I mean, mainly I'll look at their dividend. So before I would buy it, and this is just very slow. I don't know why this is not opening. But is there any other feature I can show? Come on, work. There you go. Oh, Wendy's. So you can see their headquarter average volume, founded date 1969, and a little bit of detail. Right, if you like a really intensive detail like Charles Schwab, then you gotta use their portfolio to do those research. But at basic level, you can see if you're familiar with some of the stock and you have eaten there like I have, and I do think they will be all right. So here's let me show you the beginning. Here's the news: 100 most popular. Apple is always there. GE, Apple, Ford, American Airlines, Disney, Delta. They give you these popular stock that they think on their platform is people are buying and you would like to invest in. Very helpful. Like some of them you might know and some of them you don't know. Like one of my friend introduced me to this Virgin Galactic, but right now they're too expensive. He told me when they were like really low, I would not buy it anymore. I would definitely look into, let's say, Nike or Walmart or even Berkshire. I think are interesting. Okay, so that's kind of like how they have divided up. You can even look at cannabis, pharma, consumer good, healthcare, top mover, upcoming. They have a lot of these tags or popular lists that you can look out from. Sometimes certain one, like most people like to nowadays invest in real estate. In real estate, you can invest in the REITs. I have invested in a couple of REITs. They're like American Tower that deals with specifically for real estate, and some of them are REITs, some of them might not be. So you can buy and sell here. What else? I wanted to show you the portfolio, especially my portfolio, and I don't know why it's not. Maybe it's under cash. Okay, that's fine. We'll come back to it. But here's they have very nice this debit card feature that you can have nowadays, like anybody else. You can do every control. I'm pretty sure they are paying the payment on it. Okay, this right here you can see that I took out $5,500 recently in June 12th because I wanted to pay off one of my debt that I had, and I thought it was easier to just take out the money and get back in slowly. I lost quite a few money. I don't know where's the show more. In Santander group, I had one time like $2,000-3,000. Let me show you. Pitney Bowes, I lost a little bit money, and then I did Santander. Where you go? Santander 26 right here. Charles Schwab, I sold it. I actually made money on this one. But you can see when you have money, you can just buy and sell based on what do you think. But I want to show you my dividends when I was in the market. May 21st, I was given dividend of $1.25. Kimco Realty gave me $10. Dividend from Gladstone 70 cents, right? I specifically try to be much as possible by dividend companies so that I would have more money, and you can see, right, dividend, you know, like literally every single company, they just kept giving me money so I could invest in more. I did that for a while. I mean, I am going to reinvest in the market. I just wanted to show you guys a platform, how that work. You buy, and then if you get dividend, either you can take it out, reinvest it in the same company, or I'm not sure if they have that drip program. What drip is basically whichever company gives you the money, they go ahead and automatically reinvest in the same company. But it's very nice. I For a while I did use their Robinhood Gold. This is like a margin account. Like let's say you have $3,000, they give you $3,000 more, so you have a lot more buying power. Don't use that. It's just I didn't find. I use it. It wasn't that good. I don't know. Reward. This was when I signed up in 2017. I got a free $4 stock, so that was CHK stock loan. Oh, I'm not sure. I think this is part of the Robinhood Gold program. I'm not sure what this is exactly, but yeah, so kind of saw exactly what they are. Let me show you their app. App is much better to look at versus this. So one second, let me show you the app. Phone screen. Okay, then I'm just gonna go on my app. This is their Robinhood app. I have the Android. That's why you're looking a little different. This is how their app looks like. At the top, they tell you everything you need, and then the stock that you own. Let's say I wanted to sell this. All I do is just click on that stock. I go on the trade option. I have buy, sell. I can just go ahead and buy more. I have 0.1 cent. They do have a fraction share now that you can buy, which is a very nice feature. I can go ahead and sell. I can sell it in dollar or even in fraction. See, they have sell in dollars, sell in shares. You can buy other stock. Like let's say I wanted to buy Intercontinental Hotel. I did a trade. Let's say I wanted to invest in $10. So review. But right now, obviously, I do not have money in there. That's why it says, hey, please deposit cash first. Then we can do that. But I'm not going to. But yeah, that's how kind of it works. Very nice feature. You can do as soon as the market opens. You can play with it whole day, buy and sell. But again, be careful how much you buy and sell. This is their cash option. This is very nice search feature. They have little news that goes on with top movers on that particular day. Like let's say at home, right now for some reason it's making a lot of noise. They are $8.90. Maybe you want to look at. Sometime I go and just research companies, what's going on. Let's say for example, right now I am interested in let's pick a company. Let's say which company? Okay, Nestle. I think Nestle, everyone knows about them, right? Nestle is $118.01. You can look at their performance, how they are going, right, in 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 5 year. Right, all they have done is gone up, and they do give you dividend of 2.001 div yield. What it doesn't give you is I don't like that part. I wish they do give you is like every quarter how much money, like how many cent or are you expected. Like if if you go to dividend, couple other website, different one research, they give you exactly at that quarter how much, if with one share, how much of dividend they will pay you. Okay, and then they have this little research that 60% buy or 32% wholesale, and they have a little bit of these research what other companies are saying, buy or sell, and why, and then a little bit about the company if in case you didn't know. So yeah, that's kind of how it works. All right, guys, thank you very much. Let me know if you want me to make any other video about anything. And once again, I really appreciate all your support, and thank you for viewing my channel and sticking with me.